In this lesson, I introduce you to the gender of Spanish nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that identifies inanimate objects, living creatures, and abstract concepts. Here are some examples. La hora, the hour. La habitación, the bedroom. El minuto, the minute. El elefante, the elephant. The gender of Spanish nouns. Spanish nouns have two genders, masculine and feminine. Every Spanish noun is either masculine or feminine. There are no neuter nouns in Spanish. In English, all nouns come with the article the bedroom, the minute. In Spanish, masculine nouns come with the article el, and feminine nouns come with the article la. Here are more examples. La mesa, the table. La sal, the salt. El perro, the dog. El árbol, the tree. So how do you know whether a Spanish noun is masculine or feminine? Spanish gender golden rule. There is a rule that will help you get the gender of many Spanish nouns right. This rule says, most Spanish nouns ending in O are masculine, and most Spanish nouns ending in A are feminine. This is a golden rule, but it's not a miracle rule. There's a substantial number of Spanish masculine nouns that end in A, and there are some common feminine nouns that end in O. That's why I've got this great tip for you. If you follow this tip, you won't have any trouble with el and la. The easiest way to get the gender of nouns always right is to learn them with their article. That way you'll always associate each noun you've learned with the right article. For example, instead of learning habitación, make sure you learn la habitación, la habitación. Instead of learning, for example, elefante, make sure you learn el elefante, el elefante. To save yourself time and frustration, avoid using Spanish courses that give you nouns without their article. Other Spanish gender rules. There are a few other Spanish gender rules, and we'll see them in future lessons. In other lessons, you'll also get the chance to practice using el and la. If you want to master the gender of Spanish nouns, remember the golden tip I've given you in this lesson. The easiest way to get the gender of nouns always right is to learn them with their article. You can learn and practice more Spanish grammar with my book and audio pack. I've put the link below this video.